Are you tired of using the same old phone apps that just don't cut it anymore? Well, get ready to revolutionize your phone experience with Dial, the exclusive app you've been waiting for. Say goodbye to cluttered screens and hello to a smooth and clutter-free experience. But wait, there's more. With Dial, you can take quick notes during calls without any hassle. Managing contacts has never been easier. Easily scroll through your recent calls and mark your favorites for quick access. And let's talk about style. Dial not only functions like a dream but looks like one too, with animations that'll make your phone feel alive. Get ready to elevate your smartphone game with Dial, your new best friend in the digital world. Without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Here is the Nothing OS Dialer app. You can find this dialer app on the Play Store. You'll find the link to this app in the comments below. After installing the app from the Play Store, set it as the default dialer app and grant all necessary permissions for it to function properly. Here, you can observe the user interface of the recent dialer, which bears a striking resemblance to the design of Nothing OS. Below, you'll notice three prominent icons. The first being for accessing contacts, the second for adding a new contact, and the third for initiating a number dialing action. His layout not only reflects the minimalist aesthetic, characteristic of Nothing OS, but also prioritizes user convenience by providing easy access to essential functions within the dialer app's interface. In addition to its sleek design reminiscent of Nothing OS, this dialer app offers a feature-rich experience. One notable feature is the ability to associate photos with contacts, which enhances the calling experience by displaying the contact's photo when they call. This personal touch adds a layer of familiarity and makes incoming calls more visually appealing. Moreover, the app allows seamless sharing of contacts directly from within its interface. This functionality streamlines the process of exchanging contact information, whether it's with friends, colleagues, or family members. With just a few taps, users can effortlessly share contacts, fostering efficient communication and networking. By incorporating these features, the dialer app not only aligns with the minimalist design philosophy of Nothing OS, but also prioritizes practicality and user convenience. It's a testament to the developer's commitment to delivering a comprehensive and user-friendly communication tool. Now, let's delve into the calling user interface, where the dialer app truly shines with its array of features. When receiving an incoming call, users are greeted with a streamlined interface that not only displays essential caller information, but also offers additional functionalities to enhance the calling experience. One standout feature is the Quick Note option, which provides users with the ability to jot down important information or reminders during the call. This feature adds a layer of convenience, allowing users to quickly capture notes without interrupting the conversation. Furthermore, the app offers a call recording option, allowing users to discreetly record calls without alerting the other party. This stands in contrast to some other dialer apps, such as Google Dialer, which may notify callers when a call is being recorded. With the Nothing OS Dialer, users can record calls seamlessly and privately, ensuring that they have a record of important conversations without compromising privacy. In addition to these advanced features, the dialer app retains all standard functionalities expected during a call. Users can mute calls, place calls on hold, and even add contacts directly from the calling interface, enhancing productivity and efficiency during conversations. By offering these robust features while maintaining a sleek and intuitive interface reminiscent of Nothing OS, the dialer app sets itself apart as a versatile communication tool, tailored to meet the diverse needs of modern users, whether it's for personal or professional use. This app delivers a seamless calling experience with an array of convenient features that users don't miss out on the chance to experience the future of phone technology. Download Dial now and embrace a whole new level of simplicity and sophistication. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, happy dialing with Dial.